Hello students. Now let us study this new topic, that is factors and multiple. This is for class 5 and 6. Now let us know what should be our target in this chapter. Now the first thing is we must know the divisibility rule by these numbers. Alright. Then secondly, we must know how to find LCM, how to find HCF, and then again for HCF we must know the two methods by which we can find them. One is prime factorization method, another one is long division method. Then LCM also by prime factorization method and by common division method. Then in the last we must also know the different terms which are used in this topic, like we have prime number. You must know what are prime number, what are composite number, what are co-primes, what are twin primes, and what are prime triplets. Now let us quickly do the first topic, that is exercise 1, which is covering our first topic, and it is to test the divisibility by these numbers. And which are those numbers? I have taken the first example this, and second example this one. Now see, these are the different numbers whose test we have to check. टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी का मतलब है, सपोज वी हैव दिस बिग नंबर, हमें उसको डिवाइड करके ना चेक करना पड़े. सपोज हमें ये चेक करना है कि क्या वो 3 से जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, एंड तो हमें उसको पूरी तरीके से डिवाइड ना करना पड़े, बिना डिवाइड करे, जस्ट टेस्टिंग बाय जस्ट फ्यू 1 or 2 steps, we should be able to know whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So that is called test of divisibility. Now let us know for different numbers what are their tests. Now I have taken the first number, that is 2. What is to be tested? It should be the last digit. The last digit is to be tested. Now what is the last digit? The last digit is 0. Alright? The last digit is what? It is 0 in this case. Now after last digit is we have picked up, what should we check? Whether the last digit is divisible by 2. Is 0 divisible by 2? Yes. 0 is divisible by 2. That means, it means the number is divisible by 2. Alright? So it's a simple thing. What we want to know, we have to test the last digit and we have to check whether the last digit is going by 2 or not. Then if it is going by 2, it means it is divisible. So we have been asked, is it yes or no? It is yes, because last digit 0 is divisible by 2. Alright, 0 is divisible by any number. Suppose we divide 0 by 2, 0, 0s are 2, 0s are 0, the remainder is 0. So that means 0 is divisible by any number. In place of 2 also, if we keep any number, 0 will be divisible. Now, so that means ये जो बड़ा सा नंबर है, इसको बिना चेक करे, बिना डिवाइड करे, we came to know that it is divisible by 2. Now let us see for 5. 5 के लिए भी हमें सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट्स देखना है. लास्ट डिजिट आप देखो 5 के टेबल में you get 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. तो आपने देखा लास्ट डिजिट हमेशा या तो 0 आता है या 5 आता है. So what we have to do? We have to check the last digit and we find that the last digit is 0. That means the number is 0. The number is divisible. That means yes, because the last digit is 0. आपसे बोला गया था या तो वो 5 हो या वो 0 हो, तो यहाँ पे क्या आया? लास्ट डिजिट इज 0. नाउ इफ यू सी द 10 में भी आपको लास्ट डिजिट देखना है, एंड लास्ट डिजिट बिल्कुल सिर्फ 0 होना चाहिए. सो बिकॉज द लास्ट डिजिट इज 0, जो हमें चाहिए था. देन सम ऑफ 3 के लिए क्या करते हैं? वी वॉन्ट टू do what is the test number, what is to be tested. We will have to find out the sum of all these digits. So what is the sum of all these digits? It is 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. So it becomes 12. 12 plus 9, 21, 21, 28, 29, 30, 30, 30, this is 40. That means the sum is 40. Now what is happening? अब हमें क्या करना है? Divisibility rule क्या है? Sum should be divisible by 3. So what is the answer? The answer is no, because 40 is not divisible by 3. Sum of the digit is not divisible by 3. Now in the same way, sum of the, यहाँ 9 के लिए भी आपको sum of digit check कर digit निकालना है, which is sum is 40. और फिर हमें check करना है whether 40 is divisible by 9, and what we observe, it is no. That means this number is not divisible by 9 because S, that is sum, is not divisible by 9. Now the next question is 4. Next number is 4. और यहाँ हमें क्या check करना है? Number formed by last 2 digit. अब देखो इस वाले में number formed by last 2 digit क्या हुआ? It is this last 2 digit. तो answer is the number formed by last 2 digit is how much? It is 0. तो अब हमें चेक करना है, is the number formed by last 2 digit divisible by 4? Yes, the number is divisible. Yes, because 0 is divisible by 4. Now come to the 8. It is given number formed by last 3 digit. अब number formed by last 3 digit क्या हुआ? 1, 2, 3. ये last के 3 digit से जो भी number form हो रहा है उस number को आपको check करना है. So that is you have to check 400. Is 400 divisible by 8? If you check, 400 will be divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40 and we are left with remainder 0. So what is the result? The result is yes, this whole number is divisible by 8 because 400 is divisible by 8. Now come to the last one. Last में हमें क्या करना है? What is to test? Difference of the sum of the digit in the odd and even place. Now this is थोड़ा सा ये वाला समझने में थोड़ा सा difficult है directly समझने में. So just understand what exactly it is. 4, 8, 9, 7, 6, 2, 4, 0, 0. अब ये देखो ये odd place में है. पहला first position, first, this is third, this is fifth, this is seventh and this is ninth. और ये है आपकी second position, second, fourth. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to find the difference. किसका difference? Sum of the digits in the odd and the even place. So sum of digit in even place is how much? In even place क्या हो गया? 8, 7, 2 and 0. So 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0, it becomes 14, 15, 16, 17. The result is 17. इसी तरीके से sum of digit in odd place. Odd place क्या हो गया? Odd place हमारे first position, that is 4 plus 9 प्लस फिफ्थ पोजीशन में 6 प्लस सेवेंथ पोजीशन में प्लस 4 अगेन, दैट इज 4, 9, 6 एंड 4 और फिर आपका 0 आता है तो 10, 20, 23. अब इनका डिफरेंस क्या आ गया? difference will be 23 minus 17 and it becomes 3 plus 3, this is 6. Now that means what is the result? The result is no. Why it is no? Because 6 is not divisible by 11. Alright? So this was for this question. Now let us do the second question also. Now I am rubbing, this is not required, I think. You must note down what is the target for you to study this topic. Now if I see the next topic, that is next question, the next part of it, let us quickly take this and finish. Now if I take the B part, पहला टेस्ट नंबर क्या आ गया? For 2 the test number is 5. Alright, and 5 is not divisible, that means it is no, because 5 is not divisible by 2. Second हमने लिया, again this is 5, it is yes, because 5, because the last digit is, हमें क्या चाहिए था टेस्ट करने के लिए? रूल क्या है? लास्ट डिजिट को 0 या 5 होना चाहिए, बिकॉज लास्ट डिजिट इज 5. नाउ लेट अस टेक अगेन 10 के लिए भी यू हैव द लास्ट डिजिट टू बी टेकन. लास्ट डिजिट लेना है, लास्ट डिजिट इज 5. इट इज नो, बिकॉज लास्ट डिजिट इज नॉट 0. 0 ही होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? नाउ दिस, if we find out the sum, आपने देखा, I have repeat 4, the sum is 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 5 and the answer will be 45. Alright, now we have to check whether 45 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible, so the answer is yes. Now again we have what we have to check? We have to check the sum of the digit. Again it is 45. Now therefore it is yes. Why it is yes? Because 45 क्या चेक करना है? Sum is divisible by 9. Yes, 45 is, because 45 is divisible by 9. Now next is 4. 4 के लिए हमें क्या करना है? लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स लेना है. लास्ट 2 डिजिट इज 05. इट इज नो, बिकॉज 5 इज नॉट divisible by 4. Next is 8, number formed by last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is 4, 0, 5. Again this is not divisible by 8 because 405 is not divisible by 8. Now let us do for 11. We have space here, let us utilize that. The number is 4, 8, 9, 7, 6, 2, 4, 0, 5. अब हमें क्या लेना है? पहला, तीसरा, फिफ्थ, सेवेंथ and 9. So sum of digit in odd place is how much? It is 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5. पिछली बार 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. It will be 5 more added, 28. Now sum of digit in even place, and it is 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0. 7 to the 9, 8 to the 16, 17. It is 17. And what is the difference? The difference is 28 minus 17, which is 11. Now, what will be the result? The result is yes. Is it divisible by 11? Yes, because difference is 11 and it is divisible by 11. So this is all. Now next time we will take up the next topic, that is how to find out LCM and HCM.